Pokémon have high stats and unique abilities, making them a valuable addition to any team. Pokémon Ultra Beasts are extraterrestrially and incredibly powerful Pokémon appearing for the first time in Generation VII of the Pokémon game. These creatures have high stats and unique abilities, making them a valuable addition to any team. Below, given in order, are the 7 best Pokémon Ultra Beasts. Celesteela. Celesteela has impressive stats with a high attack stat of 101, a defense stat of 103, and a special attack and defense of 107 and 103, respectively. Its HP is also high at 97. While it's slow, its balance stats make it a formidable opponent. Stakataka. Stakataka, a rampart Pokemon, has a staggering defense stat of 211, making it one of the best defensive Pokemon in the game. Its Rock and Steel typing also makes it resistant to many attacks. However, its poor health stat and slow speed make it vulnerable to attacks. Guzzlord. Guzzlord is a massive Pokemon that is popular among the other Pokemon with a health stat of 223 and a weight of 888 kilograms. Its varied movesets and high health makes it a valuable addition to any team. Xurkitree? Xurkitree resembles a plug and electricity wires. It has a base special attack of 173, making it one of the best special attackers in the game. Its unique typing and ability to learn powerful moves like Zap Cannon make it a valuable asset. Kartana. Kartana is a drawn sword Pokemon that has a high attack stat of 181 and a high defense stat, making it a formidable opponent. Its grass and steel typing also makes it resistant to many attacks. Pheromosa. Pheromosa is a bug that is popular for its fighting typing as it can learn powerful moves fast and has the highest speed stat of any Ultra Beast at 151. Its strong attack and special attack stats also make it a valuable addition to any team. Nihilego. Nihilego, a jellyfish-like creature, has the highest special defense stat of any Ultra Beast at 131. Its unique rock and poison typing and ability to learn powerful moves like Mirror Coat makes it a valuable asset. In Pokemon, 6 key stats determine a Pokemon's performance: HP health points 1255, attack physical attacking power 10 to 180, defense physical defensive ability 10 to 180, special attacking power 10 to 180, special defensive ability 10 to 180, special defensive ability 10 to 180, and speed 5180. These stats range from a minimum of 1 HP or 5 speed to a maximum of 255 HP or 180 other stats with higher values indicating greater strength, defense, or speed.